Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Orunmila, the Erenmols, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. The Path of Odùdùwà, Patakan. On this path, Odùdùwà was the secretary of Olófin, but he was very arrogant. Every time someone came looking for Olófin, Odùdùwà would say that he wasn't home. Olófin had given all his powers to Odùdùwà, but gradually began to take them back. When Olófin became furious, he would remove a part of Odùdùwà's body to restrain him. One day he took away a leg, another day he took an arm, and so on, until only the head, the eyes, the mouth, and the mustache were left. Odùdùwà was a wealthy man who lacked nothing, but he was deeply discontent and constantly upset about his imperfection. Olófin sent Esu to his house to ask for the pawe. Odùdùwà told Esu that Olófin was always asking, always bothering him, and that he wasn't going to give him anything. So Esu said that he would take the pawe himself. At that moment, Odùdùwà began rolling furiously around the house and pushed Esu with such force that he flew out the door. Esu got up from the ground badly hurt and went to Olófin's house to complain about what had happened and what Odùdùwà had said, and why he hadn't handed over what Olófin had sent him to retrieve. Then Olófin told Esu that Odùdùwà was fine, just the way he was, because when Odùdùwà became upset, he created hurricanes and destroyed everything. So if Olófin made him whole again, if he restored what he was missing, he would finish and destroy the entire world. Note: on this path, one must receive Odùdùwà,